Hi, welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use a magazine loader, which is very easy to use, simple, and an easy way if you want to load your magazine faster and more efficiently. In this video, I have a 12 round magazine, but this loader can be used in any automatic handgun, which is a standard for any handgun. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get one of your bullets and you're going to put it in your magazine. This is how we started. Let me show you more clear. I'm going to load the first round. Then you're going to come up and get your loader. You're going to sit it on top of your magazine. And what you're going to do is you're going to push the loader down so you can load the next round. Grab your round, push your loader down so you can bring the bullet down. You're going to put your bullet, you're going to bring it up, then you're going to push your bullet. Push it down again, put your bullet, push your bullet down, push your loader, insert the bullet and push it. Push your loader, insert your bullet, push your bullet. Very simple to use. Every time you're going to load a bullet, you push down on the loader so you can lower your bullet down so you can fit the next round. So you can see, you just insert it, push it down, put your bullet, keep pushing your loader down so you can fit your next round. Very simple to use and a faster way. Push it down and put your bullet. As you can see, then you remove it, and this is the way you load your magazine. Simple, very easy to use, and much more faster and less time consuming. I'll leave the link on the video description for this magazine loader. It's a standard. It will work in any handgun. But the one I'm using here is a Taurus G3C. But this is a standard for any automatic handgun. Well, this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.